give. So, what does that give? I forgot about this. I think this is a face palette. So, let's check what's in here. I'm curious. I forgot already. Oh, look at that. Look at the packaging. So nice. Just like that. Okay, let's me check inside. Take a look, guys. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, this is a highlight. So you can swirl everything all over with the brush, like a fluffy brush, and then put it there. I don't want to touch it. I'm still gonna keep it. Ooh, I love it. Wow. Me, you, yours. I like that note. Me, you, yours. Read it. See that? Beautiful. Ooh. I like it. Wow. Another collection from Give. What is that? Check My Glow. Yeah, Check My Glow. Home Ground Glow. Home Ground Glow. Okay. And this one, we'll check later, guys. Oh, let's check now. Why not later? Why not now, I mean? Okay, so this is a set. Perfect for travel, guys. So what's in here is